The Reserve Bank of New Zealand cut rates by 25 basis points, but it seems like the projections for future rates is the same at the end of 2026 as it is right now at the end of 2025. So we did see the New Zealand versus US dollar move higher after the news. I'll talk about the technicals that are driving this currency pair in this video, so let's get started. Starting off by looking at the daily chart, the low price that we saw for the year was actually in early April. That was near the low price from January. So the first half of the year saw the price move to the upside. The second half of the year saw the price move to the downside. The low price that we saw in trading last week came down toward the April was the lowest level since April, but comfortably above the April low. The low price came in around 0.5580. The low price for the year came in at 0.5484, so about 100 pips short of that level. And trade here today, we saw the spike to the upside. Taking a closer look at that spike, we'll look at the hourly chart, and on the hourly chart, you can see how the move to the upside in trading yesterday took the price back in between the 200-hour moving average, that's a green line in this chart, and above the 100-hour moving average. The low prices for the week stalled down through here ahead of the low price from last week. That move above the 200-hour moving average with momentum was the catalyst for increased momentum to the upside. It took the price above the 38.2% retracement of the last move to the downside as the trend moved to the downside from the end of October high to the low price that we saw in November. That 38.2 comes in at 0.56616. And that level also happened to be the low price that we saw off of the high price in trade here today. So that is now support. Once we break above a technical level and then come back and test it and find support against that level, it becomes an increasingly important level. Also important is this swing area up here. The swing area is defined by a number of different swing lows and swing highs through here. Then we found we broke above it and then found support here, here, here before moving to the downside through here. We returned back to that area here, 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 and here before again moving to the downside in the month of November. And now we're in trading here today. We did move above that swing area, not once but twice, but each of those moves to the upside failed, and we saw the price rotate down to 38.2. So we're back in this area right through here, and I'm not saying that. And so traders will once again have that decision to make. Do they want to take the price above that level? If they do, then look for further momentum toward the 61.8% retracement. But if they don't want to continue to use this level as a resistance or as a ceiling, I should say, look for a break back below the low of it at 0.5679. And then we'll deal with the 38.2% retracement on the downside. So that's the technicals. The buyers are making a play above the 38.2, 50% retracement swing level on the top side. We'll see if we can extend above that swing area and move to higher levels. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.